Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through changing the language in Windows. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the Windows Start button. Then, open up your settings. You can also search for settings if that's easier. Next, navigate to the left-hand side and click on Time and Language. Once you're in Time and Language, select Language on left side. At the top, you'll see Windows Display Language with a menu or list. If you only see English, you'll need to add a new language. Click on the Add a Language button. Now, you can search for the language you want to add. In this example, we'll add Spanish. Search for Spanish, select it, and click Next at the bottom. You can choose which components to install, then click Install at the bottom. The download and installation process will begin. Once it's finished, you'll see the new language in the list. To make it your preferred language, click and hold the dots next to the new language and drag it above the existing language, for example, English. Finally, go to Windows Display Language and select the new language. Windows will prompt you to sign out to apply the new display language. Confirm this by signing out. After signing back in, you'll notice that the display language has changed to the one you selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content.